Content marketing. Creating and sharing valuable and consistent content like blogs, videos, and infographics to engage your audience and build brand authority. Social media marketing. Using platforms like Facebook and Instagram to reach a wide audience through content, targeted ads, and engagement, driving brand awareness and website traffic. Search engine optimization. Optimizing your website to rank higher on Google and attract organic traffic by improving content, site speed, and backlinks. Email marketing. Sending targeted email campaigns to connect with subscribers, share promotions, and nurture leads, leading to customer retention and increased sales. Pay-per-click advertising. Displaying ads to a specific audience on platforms like Google Ads, paying only when someone clicks, for quick results in increasing website traffic and generating leads.